Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make and set a Steam avatar. Now the first part what you wanna do is you wanna go to Photoshop. Now if you don't have Photoshop, you can use Paint, Paint.net, GIMP. You can use any editing software at all. So I'm gonna open Photoshop, and I wanna go to File, New. I'm gonna set it to 184 by 184 pixels. Now that is going to be the big one. See, it says there. Oh, it's not 184. This one's 64, and this one's 32. Now, when you're playing Team Fortress 2 or any game, and you press Tab to show the scoreboard, this one is going to show the 32 pixels because these are obviously too big. So I'm just going to keep it on this page while I edit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click OK. Now you can use any background you want at all. So it doesn't really matter what background you use. So I'm just going to create a background. I'm just going to use a gradient. So I'm going to go over here and select gradient. And I'm going to give it kind of a bluish look, I guess. Maybe if I did that. Okay, so now we're just gonna use this one here. You can use whatever one you want. Like I might change in a minute, but no, I don't want that one. It's too kind of. I think that might be like put it like there, and then yeah, okay. See what happens now. Oh god, that's not gonna work. There. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over here, beside the colors here, and click these things that set it to black and white, so then it's default. Now we're gonna go over here and create a layer, and this is gonna be our text layer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do two words. We're gonna do block, then head, like that way. Now excuse this because it's very slow. Okay, now just click where you want to write it. Now this is a bit big, so I'm just gonna click on a random. Oh, that's too small. I'll just put it like this and then I'll change it afterwards. We're just gonna write block. Now I think, yeah, I'm using this Transformers font. So I'm gonna change that in a minute maybe. Okay, that should be okay. Now the font, I don't really know what font I want to use. TF2 Build maybe? That looks okay. I think I'll change to black. It doesn't really matter because I'll do the color overlay and blending options now in a minute. Right now, make sure you have this layer selected, and you want to press Control T on your keyboard, and then you want to press just up here in the corner, press kind of move it that way. Make sure it's evenly spaced, so there. I know it's a bit off the corner, but that doesn't really matter. You want to press here, the little the check. Now double click it like that, or you can right click it and select blending options up the top. Now you can put a drop shadow, an inner shadow, an outer glow, inner glow, bevel and emboss, contour, satin, color overlay, gradient overlay, pattern overlay, stroke, which is an outline. I think I'm gonna go for gradient. I just want to see something. Maybe from a white to a blue, maybe, I don't know. Or to a red, to a blue. No. Okay, never mind. I'll do a color overlay. And I'll do blue because I don't know what color to do. The yellow looks very nice. I think I'll use that. Right, now what we're going to do is you can set the opacity to whatever you want. I'm going to put it to about 99 or maybe 100. Now I'm going to go to bevel and emboss, and I'm going to like change the depth or whatever. I'll just use it like that. Now you can do up, down, whatever. Use the size. I think I'm just gonna... Okay, that should be okay. Soften, you can change that. Contour, you can change it to whatever way you want. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. See whatever way you like it, I don't know. Okay, now the drop shadow, I want to fix this. I don't know if I should... Okay, now that's the way I'm going to do this. Then what you want to do is you just want to click OK. You want to create a new layer. This is going to be another text layer. And we're going to write the second part of the word, which is head. Okay, now we're just going to click the checkbox up here, and we're going to press Control T on our keyboard. We're going to move it around like that. I'm going to write head there. Well, okay, that's fine. Now click the checkbox, then click on the block layer, which is this layer, right click it and click copy layer style. Now go to select your head layer and then right click it and click paste layer style. So then they're both the same. Now you might want to add like different things to it. I'm gonna add like a paint splatter or whatever. So I'm gonna do that now. Create 2 new layers. Select the first new layer and go to custom shape tool. If you don't have it, just right click on any of these that are shown and then do it. So go up here where it says shape, and we're going to click on the little arrow. Now if you don't have the grime vector pack, I don't know where to get it. You might want to search it because I already had this. It was default. So you want to click that, click OK. Now I use this paint splatter. I think it's really cool. So I'm just going to click shift and drag it so it's equal. And I'm going to undo and select white. Right, now I'm going to get the move tool, which is up here on the top, and I'm going to move it like that. Now you see this is over. the text layer. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the shape 1, which is our splat, and we're going to click it and drag it down below the word block, so it's underneath. Now we can move it whatever way you want. I'm actually going to make it bigger, so then there. Now you can just duplicate the layer and then just move it, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to select the second duplicate layer, select the custom shape tool again, press shift and then drag it, select the move tool and drag it about there, then click this layer, the layer that you just drew the shape on, and then drag it. You can either drag it above the first shape or below, it doesn't really matter. And now what we're going to do is create a new layer. You can create it somewhere along here, I guess. Go back to the custom shape tool and click on shape. Click on the drop down arrow there. Click on the arrow here. Then select all. Yes. Then just scroll down and you should come down up to about where these are. Like the Saints Row sign, I guess. And a letter, scissors and paperclip and all them. Now you can click here on this one, which is like that, or you can use the one beside it, which is what I normally use. So let's use this one. I'm gonna move it to about there, and it should look like that. Now we're gonna create a new layer, and I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but I'll just create it anyway. Go here and then select the one beside it, press shift and drag it. Oh, maybe I'll do that again, sorry. I'll make it a bit bigger. Oh, is that confetti? Oh no, I don't want to use that. Okay, now go back up here then. And there's one that I just wanted to show you. Where is it gone? I don't know where it is. Where is it gone? Okay, I'm gonna go back up to the arrow and click Grime Vector Pack. Oh, there it is. That's it. I'm gonna press shift and I just want to see what it looks like. No, I don't like that. I just want to click on some of these and see what they look like because I don't really know. No, I don't like that. So I'm just gonna go back to the custom tool. I'm just gonna select some of these because they look pretty damn cool. Stupid fly. Right, I'm just gonna... Okay. See you guys next time.